welcome. I'm Nicole. I hope you stick around and enjoy some more of my videos. Happy New Year. It's the 1st of January 2022. We're at Paris and my mom's taking us out. Say hi, Mom.
Hi, guys.
This is Sanda and this is Lindo. Oh wait, hold on. Happy New Year. Mom says Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
We're at Paris. Gonna have a jolly good time. So we just got back from Paris. Nothing else is happening. I'm injured, so, and it's the 1st.
If I gave you my heart, you could tear it apart.
Dad, ready?
It's a bottle.
Oh, ready? Dad.
Who is it?
Cheers, muscle guy. Muscle guy. Wobble. Muscle.
Yes, baby.
And if I tell you how I feel, would you be good to me? Good to me. How nice if I just could let you in, let you in. I know you could be my remedy, my remedy. How long will you keep trying? I know it's not, babe, it's not easy. I guess deep down inside, I know you could be my remedy.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights.
That's crazy. Look, you guys, 10 years ago today, I received my first iPad. I feel like it's a sign. It's a sign. 10 years, that's a decade ago today. I can see him. Hi, Ron. Today's Tuesday. we're going to Four Ways. We're going to Digital Experience. My mom wants to get herself some Smeg appliances. I don't know how many. I don't know which color. She doesn't know which color. But she wants to get some Smeg, and they seem to be one of the only stores that still has some of the limited edition colors. Not colors, because I called them and they said they don't have gold, so they only have chrome, which is still one of the limited edition ones. So we're gonna go check them out. My mom might just end up getting white. We're gonna go see it in person, and I will bring you along because I'm running out of content because I haven't vlogged in so long. But yeah, we're gonna do that. I made Rice Krispie treats yesterday. I'm gonna show you there in the fridge. But yeah, let's go to Four Ways.
Won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our way.
So we got a kettle. My mom went with red because that's one she's been wanting forever. Sadly, that's not the one I would have chose, but this is her home. So we let her pick what she wants. She's gonna unbox it for us. I'll prop you up somewhere so you can see her open it up. But yeah, real proud of her. Hands for Mrs. Khumalo for buying herself some snacks.
To fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling.
Hi everyone. So yesterday I made some Rice Krispie treats. I didn't vlog it. Why didn't I vlog it? I don't know. But I made Rice Krispie treats, and I will leave the recipe that I used down below, but I still have marshmallows. Don't know if I'm gonna make more because they're insanely sweet. I might use the marshmallows for something else, but yeah, it's just butter, and then you put marshmallows in and you melt them down until they're liquid, and then you throw in some Rice Krispies. It's literally that easy. Put it in a bowl so that they firm up. Then you cut them into cubes. Well, squares.
I've been alone for what seems like forever. Try to hold it together, but I'm losing my grip. I need someone who can make me feel better. Wrap me up in a sweater, treat my pain with a kiss. Then suddenly you are here, inside my head, everywhere. Where did you come from? I'm wondering, baby, are you made up of for real? Say, can you feel what I feel? 'Cause I can tell if I'm just dreaming. I wish I had a girl like you, and I wish you could be real, but you're not. I fade away, every day you're not with me. Maybe now that you've showed me what love could be like, what can I say? I know it sounds like I'm crazy, but I need to believe in you to get through my life. Then suddenly you are here inside my head everywhere. Where did you come from? I'm wondering, baby, are you made up of for real? Say, can you feel what I feel? 'Cause I can tell if I'm just dreaming. I wish I had a girl like you, and I wish you could be real, but you're not really here. And I don't wanna wake up without you, but tonight is gonna have to do if I'm gonna get with a girl like you, girl like you, girl like you. If I'm gonna get with a girl like you, girl like you, girl like you. If I'm gonna get with a girl like you, girl like you, girl like you. I don't wanna wake up without you, but tonight is gonna have to do if I'm gonna get with a girl like you. Then suddenly you are here inside my head everywhere. Where did you come from? I'm wondering, baby, are you made up of for real? Say, can you feel what?
Hi everyone. We're in the kitchen today. You're propped up. It's a serious thing. We're gonna do some baking. Technically, I don't like baking unless it's in December or like for a special occasion. But they've been pestering me for those chocolate cookies for literally weeks now. And so let me tell you what all my hopes and dreams are for this video, and then you'll see what we get to or not. The first recipe that we have here is a vanilla sheet cake, also a vanilla just regular cake. That's one of the recipes that we have here. We also have a lemon poppy seed cake. Looks really good. We have lemons, we have poppy seeds. I thought we should probably use them. Next recipe we have here is cinnamon banana bread muffins. Those are probably the first things we're going to do because the bananas have been in the fridge for so long. Next thing we have chocolate cupcakes. We have carrot cake cupcakes. And then we have the chocolate chip cookie recipe that they are pestering me about. So yeah, I don't know if we'll get to all of them. The lemon one we'll do last, just because I feel like not everyone's gonna enjoy it as much as everything else. Also the vanilla sheet cake and the regular cake, we might just do one of those. Definitely gonna do the banana, definitely the carrot, and then definitely the chocolate cookies. Oh, we're also doing ginger cookies. So I think we'll start with the ones we know for sure that we're doing, and then we'll kind of just, you know, do the rest. But yeah, there's 3 of us. The ginger cookie recipe, we usually multiply by 4. So there's gonna be 2 of us doing double batches, and then 1 person will be doing something else. So we're gonna divide and conquer, but hopefully we can finish. We're starting pretty late. Let's begin. Okay, this is probably gonna be more of a montage or some kind of like sped up video for you, because I will link all the recipes that I actually do create down below. It'll just take way too long. Here, I'm gonna put an apron on because I like my clothes and I want to keep them. So yeah.
I can still remember the first time that we kissed, feeling light as a feather. I always wanna feel like this, but at some point we messed up, right, sugar? And when we fight, no one wants to stop. And as time goes by, I wonder
cinnamon poppy seed pound cake. You can see the little poppy seeds over there. In here we have some cinnamon banana muffins and some ginger cookies down there. And then in here we have some more banana muffins, some carrot cake muffins, and some more ginger cookies. Then these are the double chocolate chip cookies up here. And then we have one more loaf of this in the oven right now. And she's making a vanilla cake. It's a lot.
There's a sparkle in your eyes.